So hi guys, this is Victor Oweru from Croton Motors of course, and behind me I have this 2019 GLC 220D 4MATIC. Starting off at the front, we have this big Mercedes logo that lets everyone else on the road know what you're driving. Moving to the headlights, we have this LED intelligent headlights with these beautiful DRLs. Moving to the wheels and the tires, we have these 19-inch AMG rims that have these 4-port brakes at the front, and as you can see, we also have drill rotors. Moving to the doors, we have each of the doors having keyless entry, so there's that as well. And come with me to the back. As you can see, we have these beautiful LED taillights paired with this power tailgate on the GLC, which is an optional feature in this 2019 GLC 220D. So now I'm on the interior of the GLC. As you can see, I'm behind the cockpit, and in front of me we have this steering wheel that's wrapped in beautiful leather. We have our paddle shifters here at the back. We have our electrical steering wheel controller. We also have our wiper controllers and our indicators here. We have our gear selector here to the right. And as you can see, this car is also equipped with the Burmester sound system. We have heated seats at the front. We have memory seats both for the driver and the passenger, as well as adjustable seats, as you can see. And moving on to the center console is where we can see we have this beautiful infotainment system. This is what you'll use to control your media, your radio, checking things like ambient lighting, settings to do with the car. So that's where you control everything. And you'll be able to do that using this controller that's here, found at the center console, where you can control things like the volume. And also moving to the center console, we have things like our drive selectors, where you can choose from Eco, Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, as well as Individual. And looking here at the top, we have this panoramic sliding roof that gives you sunlight for when you need some extra sunlight in the car. So yeah, I can say that's the front of the GLC. Now let's move to the back. So now we are here at the second row of the GLC, and as you can see, it's beautifully wrapped in leather. Looking at the door cards, we also have our Burmester speakers. We also have our seat warmers that have 3 functions, both for the left and the right passenger. Having a look at the driver's seat, we have these extra cubbies for extra storage, as you can see. We also have these dual adjustable AC vents, of which can be turned both on and off. Looking at the seats, we have these 4 ISOFIX locations for your car seats for the kids. At least you're sure your kids will be safe when they're in this GLC. So guys, if you like this GLC and you like the content that we post, drop a comment down below, give me a call, and we can carry that conversation from there. Bye-bye.